Hello guys, and welcome to my channel again. I'm so excited to come on because I have a bag to share with you that I got at a really good price. It is the Mini Rowan in the lemon canvas print. It is so cute. I just love it. It has the brown, well, it looks like a tan rolled leather handles on each side. It's trimmed in the same tan leather. It has a little leather Coach hang tag, and then it has the Coach in silver tone logo, raised logo right there. It doesn't have foot bottoms, but that's okay. But it just has the canvas as well with the lemons at the bottom, and it just goes around. It is just such a cute little bag. I got it for $98 and some change online on clearance on the Coach Outlet website, and I just love it. It has one zipper. When you open it up, it has a leather tan adjustable strap with the silver tone hardware. You can wear it as a crossbody. It has a D-ring on each side, and you can, I'm gonna clip it on. You can wear it as a shoulder or a crossbody. Okay, or you can wear it as a top handle, little date night. It's so cute. And on the inside, it has 2 card slots, and it has the Coach emblem on the inside that tells about the bag, and the inside is like a tan nylon, but it's so cute. And they also had the lemon wallet as well. I think I paid like $36 for this, either $36 or $39 for it. But it has a zipper. It opens up to the tan nylon lining. This is just telling the care of the bag, but this is where you can put your little change in it. It has a zipper with the leather pull to it. It has where you can put your ID here, and then it has 2 card slots here. It is trimmed in the tan leather, the same as this bag here, and it fits perfectly on the inside with a lot more room. Here is a Victorian Louis Vuitton monogram wallet. It goes right in, and you still have plenty of room. You still have a lot of room. It has enough room to fit your phone. It is just so cute. And $98 and some change. I mean, you can't beat that. I mean, it's just so cute. I'm gonna roll this up and put it on the inside because this is how I will store it. But it is a cute little bag. I have the regular size Rowan compared to the mini. This actually has the ladybugs on it, but I'm just trying to show you in size comparison. As you can see, it's much smaller. This one has a zipper on the back. This one doesn't. Now, if you'll look at the older Mini Rowans, they had a zipper on the back and they were smaller than this one. So the change in this Rowan here that's more up to date is it doesn't have a zipper on the back and it is a little bigger. So that's the difference between the older and the new Rowans. But this is actually the size. This is the large Rowan. I have it in the red floral. It does also have the zipper on the back. This is actually leather, and this is leather as well. Let me see. Yeah, this is leather. These two are leather, and this is canvas. But this is the large, and this is the mini. This one has foot bottoms. This one doesn't. But it is a huge size comparison. Regular size comparison. All three together, definitely size comparisons. So yeah, I'm just really excited for my new bag though. I love little bags, and I'm really leaning towards more smaller bags. So I'm just excited and thrilled, and I will be probably decorating this with charms and having fun with it. Probably wear it with a cute yellow outfit, who knows. So I love it, and I just wanted to share with you guys. So that's all I have. I just wanted to share this cute little bag and tell you a couple of things about it. So until then, I want you to always have a wonderful and blessed evening. Mwah, mwah, mwah.